So once again, I'm here to demonstrate some videos about the concept video about the competitive electrolysis. So let us continue. So qualitative electrolysis. Lecture number 2, stage 2, slide number 4, the first introduction slide. Now, when you take molten KCl like NaCl, what will happen at anode? So 2Cl minus will give Cl2 plus 2 electrons. And what will happen at cathode? So 2K plus 2 electrons will give 2K. What is the overall reaction? 2K plus 2Cl minus will give 2K solid plus chlorine gas. So this is electrolysis. Second one, electrolysis of molten Al2O3 in the presence of cryolite. Cryolite is Na3ElF6. This you should have studied in the lower grades itself. And the presence of fluorspar, CaF2. And here carbon is available as anode. This is a very important point. Of course, this you will study in the metallurgy chapter also. But at this point of time, if some competitive questions are asked in the exam, you should be able to answer it. So carbon is available as anode. Okay. Now the same carbon is available as cathode also here. But different reactions will happen at anode and cathode. Now what happens at anode? That is very important. In anode, carbon is available in graphite. It will react with oxygen. Oxygen is available in the form of melt. From alumina, you will get oxygen. Will give you carbon monoxide gas plus 2 electrons. Next, the same carbon will oxidize 2 moles of oxide ions to form CO2 plus 4 electrons. So both takes place in the oxidation. At cathode, what happens? Aluminium from the melt, means from molten alumina, reacts with electrons to form aluminium. So here if you see in anode, how much electrons are required? Totally 6 electrons. So therefore you want 6 electrons. Therefore the balancing equations will happen like this. So finally when you write the overall reaction, it is coming like this. 2Al, so electrons will be cancelled here now. Electrons will be cancelled. So 2Al3 plus 2Al3 plus 3O2 minus 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 plus 1 2 carbon solid will give you 2Al solid plus CO plus CO2. So this is the reason this is extracted in the purest form of aluminum because the products are gases. Okay. So this refining is called Hall Heroult refining of aluminum. So this you should have discussed in class 10, but still we will be discussing in the metallurgy chapter also. Okay. Next, for instance, third one, we are going to take molten K2SO4. When you take molten K2SO4, so first what K2SO4 will give? K2SO4 will give you 2K plus and SO4 2 minus. What happens at anode? This is very important. SO4 2 minus gets oxidized to S2O8 2 minus. What is this? Peroxodisulfate ion plus 2 electrons. This is oxidation. What happens at cathode? Reduction is taking place. 2K plus 2 electron will give 2K solid. Now write the overall reaction. Overall reaction is 2K plus 2 SO4 2 minus will give 2K plus S2O8 2 minus. So this is the next competitive electrolysis which you should understand. Okay, so this is molten K2SO4. Fourth electrolysis, molten Na2S2O3, that is sodium thiosulfate. This is also called hypo. So what will happen if you ionize Na2S2O3 first? You will get 2Na plus S2O3 2 minus. Now what happens at anode? See, always you take anion at anode, cation at cathode, that's all. So 2S2O3 2 minus will give S4O6 2 minus plus 2 electron. So once again this is oxidation. This is called tetrathionate ion. In the stage 2 p block elements, I introduced these ions to you in group 15-16. You should thorough these molecules. In cathode what happens? So 2Na plus 2 electrons will give 2Na solid. This is reduction. Now write the overall equation. So 2Na electrons getting cancelled plus 2S2O3 2 minus going to give you S4O6 2 minus plus 2Na solid. Okay, so here we end this concept video. Next concept video will containing all these 4 examples are molten molecules with ions. Now what happens in the aqueous solutions? I think in the previous concept videos I already gave you the rules, the golden rules, how to remember the when it is used, inert electrolytes are used. Okay, so please go through these concept videos. It is useful for you. Okay, thank you.